Hi, good morning everybody. Today cyclone is expected in Mumbai. Very strong breeze and it is raining since last night. So very difficult to go out shopping for vegetables and all that. So let me make something with whatever is available to me in my refrigerator. I found some mushrooms, onions, then corn is there, and then capsicums and some cherry tomatoes, and I've chopped a few garlic pieces. So let me see what I can make with this. Let's stir fry and make a nice vegetable, and I will use for the base Malaysian curry paste. Now the ingredients that I'm going to use to make this lunch vegetable is, I will be using one onion. This is spring onion. I have removed all the leaves, chopped it like this and removed the leaves separate. Then there is corn pieces. Then there is mushrooms. I have chopped it into small pieces. Then there is capsicum which I have chopped small. Then I have taken cherry tomatoes. I'll leave them as they are. They will give color to the vegetable and you can eat it as a whole. Then I have taken 8 to 10 garlic pieces which I have chopped fine. So let us begin with the procedure of making the vegetable. Take a kadahi and put on the gas. When it becomes warm, add 1 teaspoon of butter and then add the garlic to it. Just add a little oil, just a little to the base, and then add the butter, 1 teaspoon, and let us roast the garlic pieces. We add oil so that the butter does not burn. Now stir fry them and then add the Malaysian masala paste, just 1 teaspoon. Nowadays you get all curry pastes which are available in the market. This is Malaysian curry paste. It is very yummy. It gives a nice tangy taste to the vegetable. Now to this I will add Thai hot chili garlic sauce. This will be my base for the vegetable. Depends, how much chili spicy you like. But this is sweet as well as spicy. It gives a nice taste to the vegetable. Now let us add some masalas. This is all purpose seasoning. It has all the peppers and little bit of red chili powder I will add. Chili flakes. Salt I will add, but very little because my vegetable is also little, as well as there is salt in the masalas already. So my base is ready. Now let us add the vegetables and stir fry them so that all the masala is applied to all the vegetables and it gives out a nice aroma and it is ready to serve. Just stir fry it for 1 to 2 minutes because these vegetables don't need to be kept on gas for a long time. They have their own taste. Plus the base, the masala that I have created will give a nice taste to the vegetables. You can do all this on high flame but keep on stirring continuously. You can top this on rice, steamed rice, or you can make lemon rice, you can make coriander rice, or you can use it, eat it with a bun or with noodles also. It will taste very good. Garnish it either with spring onion leaves or you can garnish it with coriander leaves just to give it a nice color. And now you can serve it up. I think I am going to serve it on a bed of rice. I will make some coriander rice and serve it with that. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment and share my video if you feel like. This is a very yummy, simple vegetable but very tasty, crunchy and delicious. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Keep safe, keep healthy. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Do subscribe to my channel. Please enjoy yourself, keep smiling and have a good day. Thank you for watching my video. This looks like a yummy lunch Do make this very simple dish. Just need a few things and quickly it is done. Hardly takes 5 minutes to make the vegetable. Thanks a lot. Have a good day and do like, comment and share my video and make this vegetable and let me know how it is in the comments. Thanks a lot. God bless you all. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Now let me see what name we can give this vegetable. Let us call it stir fry vegetable delight. Thanks a lot. God bless you all. Thank you for watching my video. This looks like a yummy lunch. Do make this very simple dish. Just need a few things and quickly it is done. Hardly takes 5 minutes to make the vegetable. Thanks a lot. Have a good day and do like, comment and share my video and make this vegetable and let me know how it is in the comments. Thanks a lot. God bless you all. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Now let me see what name we can give this vegetable. Let us call it stir fry vegetable delight. Thanks a lot. God bless you all.